Hello everyone. In our first chapter, The Walk to Remember, we learned about nouns, articles, and suffixes. Nouns are the names of people, animal, places, and things. Here are the types of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns, and compound nouns. Common nouns are general names for people, places, animals, and things. Example: countries, rivers, cities, months. Proper nouns are special names for people, places, animals, and things. Here example: Japan, Ganga, Morbi, April. Abstract nouns names ideas, qualities, or feelings. They cannot be seen, touched, heard, tasted, or smelled. Examples: truth, love, anger, happiness, courage, friendship, childhood, etc. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to the group of people, places, animals, and things. Examples: team, fleet, crowd, bundle, etc. Compound nouns are the nouns which is made up of two or more words. A compound noun is usually found by adding noun plus noun or adjective plus noun. Compound nouns are words for people, animal, places, things, or ideas made up of two or more words. Examples: toothpaste, bus stop, washing machine, etc. We also learned about countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the words that can be counted and we can divide them as one part separate, okay? But uncountable nouns cannot be divided or counted as individuals. We use many, enough, plenty of, some, a lot of, a large amount of. Here, in short, many with countable nouns, a lot of and plenty of with both countable and uncountable nouns. Enough, we use enough with both countable and uncountable nouns. Some, countable plural nouns and uncountable singular nouns. A large amount of, we use a large amount of with mass or uncountable nouns. Then we learn about articles, a and the, types of articles, definite articles, indefinite articles. The is definite article because it shows uniqueness or specific thing. A or an shows general things, that's why they are indefinite articles. Here if we think that we want to eat first apple from the group of apple, so we have to use the as a definite because it is specifying the first apple. Here I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of apple. Here we are not specifying, or we are not saying the particular 1, 3 or 4th apple. We are just saying if we want to eat apple. How can we say I want to eat an apple from the group of apple? Because we are speaking in general, any apple from this group he or she wants to eat, and here the speaker is indicating the particular or specific apple. Noun pronunciation of the vowel sound. When the word begins or starts with an vowel sound, we have to say the America, the apple, the onion. And when the words start with consonant sound, we used to say that the big apple, the round onion. Here 5 uses of the when you define a specific person, object or place. When there is one kind of something, with the things that are unique, with ordinal numbers or superlatives, with some proper nouns like rivers, the Brahmaputra, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, oceans, the Pacific Ocean, group of islands and or countries with plural like the Netherlands or an We use A with a consonant sound, a book, a 1 rupee note. Here O is vowel, but its pronunciation is one. So A is the article we use here. We use an with an vowel sound. An apple, an hour. Uses of a and an. The first time you refer a noun. Example, I bought a new pair of shoes yesterday. To name a member of group. Jobs, nationalities, religions. When you also mean one, means I had an apple at lunch. Here one is hidden. Okay, so that's why I have written it in the bracket. Expressions that quantify a lot of, a little bit of. Now suffixes, a syllable or a word part added to the word at the end is called a suffix. We learned about less, eon, ness, est word. Without, less means without, homeless, hopeless. En means become something, broken, golden, wooden. Ness means state or a condition of happiness, kindness. Est means to compare, hardest, biggest, strongest. Word means direction, toward, upward, downward, forward, etc. Now we are going to solve the exercise of text. Here we are going to solve grammar exercise of chapter 1. Question A. Say whether the highlighted words are common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns or compound nouns. The small velvet bag is full of diamonds. Here diamond is the common noun because it is used in general for diamonds. Now second, I am going to Kochi tomorrow. Kochi is the name of the city. That's why it is the proper noun. Third one, the owl is often used to represent wisdom. Here, wisdom is the quality. We can't touch, feel or taste wisdom. So, abstract noun. Fourth one, they stopped for a picnic next to a beautiful waterfall. Here, waterfall is a compound noun because it is made up of water plus fall, waterfall. Now fifth one, the film began with a fleet of ships sailing across an ocean. Here fleet is the collective noun for the group of ships, so it is the collective noun. Sixth one, look at the beautiful old bridge. Bridge is the common noun. Okay, because it is not specified, the Howrah bridge or the Raja Ram Mohan Rai bridge. Okay, so it is the common noun. Question B. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Then say whether the highlighted words are countable or uncountable nouns. Enough, plenty of, a lot of, some, many, a large amount of. First, I want to pick some flowers for my aunt, maybe a small bunch. Here some flowers, we can count flowers, so countable nouns, and we can use some with countable and uncountable both the nouns. Second, there is a large amount of oil spilled on the floor. Did she spill the entire bottle? Here a large amount of we use for uncountable nouns, and oil is an uncountable noun. Third one, it takes a lot of courage to always tell the truth. Courage is an uncountable noun and we use a lot of to indicate it. Fourth one, Pia is a kind girl and has many friends. Friends is a countable noun. We can count friends and we use many with countable plural nouns. Now 5. Do we have enough money to buy buns for everyone? Here money is an uncountable noun and we use enough with uncountable noun and countable nouns also, but it depending on the explanation which I gave you in our video class. Sixth one, there are plenty of films for us to choose from a good variety. In fact, here film is a countable noun and we are using plenty of with plural countable nouns. See, complete these sentences with a, an or the. Mark with cross if the sentence does not need either. First, a table is a piece of furniture. Here we are speaking about general table. Okay, so A is here. Second, we have put here cross because we doesn't need any article over here. But we have to write H capital because it is the first letter of the sentence. Houses are built with bricks and cement. 3. Moon is so beautiful tonight. Moon is unique, only one of its kind. So we are using the here. Tomato is fruit, not vegetable. Here we are specifying tomato. So the is necessary over here. The tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. Vegetable sound starts with consonant, so we use here A. Fifth one, solid education can give you good start in life. We are speaking about general thing, a solid education and a good start in life also. So a solid education can give you a good start in life. Vocabulary, complete these sentences. Complete these sentences by using the correct suffixes with the words in brackets. First, the sailors had decided that the situation was hope when they saw a ship approaching. Here, hope we have to think about the meaning of the sentence and then we made hopeless word by adding less suffix. Second, Mia is friendly cat, not like Neo who scratches me a great deal. Here we add ly suffix to make friendly as an adjective. Third one, the book I am reading is about a large but fearful monster. Here we add ful to make fearful as an adjective. Now fourth one, people are always surprised by my baby brother's cleverness. We add nes to make it as a condition or a state. Fifth one, my uncle was determined to climb the highest mountain in that area. We are using est to compare between the mountain which my uncle was determined to climb or another mountains in the area. Sixth one, my mother moved backward from the edge as slowly and carefully as she could. Here we use ward as a suffix to make word backward to indicate the direction. Thank you. I hope that you understood the nouns, articles and suffixes properly from this chapter. Practice it one more time at home. Thank you.